Thanks for tuning in to PRsRealm. Today I'm going to hit you with a quick do-it-yourself video, and this is something that everyone will need. Whatever your reason, moving in, moving out, broken toilet seat, want to beautify your bathroom, eventually you'll need to replace your toilet seat. This video is going to save you a lot of money, and believe me, you don't need to be handy, you don't need a lot of time. The first thing you should do is find out what type of toilet seat you have. Now there's two types of toilet seats. There's the elongated toilet seat and this one, which I have, the rounded seat. Before purchasing your toilet seat, make sure you get yourself a tape measure, or you could even use a ruler because it's not that big of a measurement, and you measure the distance from one bolt, which is under here, to the other bolt. Rounded seats should be about 5.5 inches apart, and I'm going to show you how to take that up, which is very simple. As you see, I just popped it up with one hand. We'll get to that in a moment. And the second measurement you should take, which I'll show you with this, is you go all the way to the back of your toilet seat, so all the way in the front of your toilet seat. That should be about 16.5 if you have a rounded toilet seat, which I have right here. And this is what you should have with your toilet seat. First thing you're going to do is, like I showed you before, you pop up these pieces, which is very easy. Right here it's a plastic screw, and you're going to unscrew these. There's a bolt underneath, which is similar to this, only it's an old one, and when I put in this toilet seat, I'm going to put in a new one. Now, sometimes if it doesn't turn right away, you may want to go underneath and grab that bolt, but it's not very tight, so this is coming off quite easily, and as you see, I could do it with one hand basically. Let me finish taking it off, and then I'm going to show you what you do from there. Before I pop off this toilet seat, I just want to quickly show you what was underneath. Very similar to the new one, only as you see, this is very old. It has like soap scum and all types of cleaner that's stuck in there. That's what that white stuff is. I'm going to get rid of these old screws and bolts. This is before installing the new toilet seat, after removing the old toilet seat. It's a very quick process, and I'm going to show you just how quick. Take the new toilet seat, line it up. As you see, it's here. Take your bolt. And now you don't need to leave this in place while you do this, because your toilet seat is going to go between here. And I'm going to show you how to lock it in place after I put these in. So, for now, I'm going to remove the toilet seat. Although you can do it while it's in place, I just found it easier. Okay, it's fairly simple once you got your bolts in and it's locked in place. But as you see, it popped into place. Now you might wonder what's going to stop it from popping back out. That's where this comes in place. As you see up here, there's an arrow. Right now it's facing forward. All I'm going to do is turn it to the right until it can't go anymore. Then I do the same thing with the other one. Turn it to the right until it can't go anymore. And as you see now, it's facing to the side. So now it's locked. And then you simply take your cover and you seal it. Now you have your brand new toilet seat. Shiny, clean. Take care of it, and you won't need another one for quite some time. But now that you know how to do it, you could do it on your own. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for tuning in to PRsRealm. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, leave your comments, thoughts, questions, ideas, and share this video on my channel with your friends. Thanks for watching PRsRealm. www.youtube.com/PRsRealm.